If you are looking how to share the location to your friends, for example, if you are going to the long distance and you want to share your location to your friends so that they know where are you, then this video is for you. So to do that, just open the Find My iPhone first in the iPhone and then click on plus icon. Here I have already shared the location to one of the friend. So we'll do for the another person just for the example. So click on plus, share my location, then choose the friend. Then once you choose the friend, select it and then click on tick button, and it will ask you for 1 hour until the end of the day or indefinitely. So we'll just go for indefinitely. Then finally, I have shared my location to the friend called Sansa, and he can check my location, where I am and at what point. And we can also in this sharing location once we are done with it. So for that, just click on that and then click on stop my sharing location, and then it will be done. So once you click this is done. So this is how you can share the location to your friends and stop sharing the location as well. If you found the video helpful, then please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.